Here's how we can talk about what we've heard in Igbo using three simple structures. Number one, anụrụ dash. I heard dash. Anụrụ mkpọtụ. I heard noise. Anụrụ ihe mere. I heard what happened. Anụrụ ihe kwuru. I heard what you said. 2. Ị nụrụ dash. Did you hear dash? Ị nụrụ mkpọtụ. Did you hear noise? Ị nụrụ ihe mere. Did you hear what happened? Ị nụrụ ihe m kwuru. Did you hear what I said? And our final phrase is gịnị ka ị nụrụ? What did you hear? Gịnị ka ị nụrụ? And to answer this, we come back to number one. Anụrụ m mkpọtụ. Anụrụ m ihe mere. Anụrụ m ihe ị kwuru. Quick question. If someone said to you, ị nụrụ ihe m kwuru? How would you say, no, I did not hear what you said? Leave in a comment, and as always, come back tomorrow for more.